Here are some Zoom features that you can use so that you can participate in your Zoom class. Please keep in mind that some of these features will not be available for all devices, including Chromebooks. However, the Zoom Basic Control Panel is available on all devices, and here you can see how to turn on and off your camera and microphone by clicking on those icons. The red line indicates that the microphone and/or the video are off. To chat, which you may be asked to do once in a while, you click on that button and that's going to populate a text box where you can type in some text or upload files if instructed to do so. And to exit the meeting, click on the End button. To raise or lower your hand while in a meeting, look at the icon labeled Participants at the bottom center of your PC or Mac screen and click on the Raise Hand icon to raise your hand and do the same to lower your hand. Sometimes you may be asked to or want to share a reaction, such as clapping of hands or thumbs up. In your meeting controls, you're going to click on the reactions icon and then choose the reaction that you would like to portray on the screen and which will disappear in 5 seconds from your video square. You also might be asked to contribute to the class by annotating something onto the screen. This is one of the Zoom features that are not available for all devices. To do so, click on the View options on top of the screen. Sometimes it appears on the bottom, and choose the Annotate option from the drop-down menu, and the toolbar that you see here will appear on your screen, and there you can choose the type of annotation tool you want.